Hi guys, welcome back to our drone channel. Today we have a look at leaked footage of a new DJI consumer drone. Curious what it is? Then stay tuned! If you like what you see, then subscribe! Alright, it's that time again. The DJI marketing machine is starting up. So we can expect a new drone to hit the market very soon. Rumors are flying around about it being either a Mavic 4, an Air 4, or maybe even an Air 3S. But what will it really be? First, let's check out this newly released footage. We are all familiar with the top-notch quality of this supposedly leaked footage. They always remind me of UFO sightings. From what we can see, it's definitely a bigger drone, so we can exclude a model from the mini series. Design-wise, it looks more like an Air model than a Mavic. The camera unit seems to have two cameras. So if it is a successor to the Air 3, I could see it having a 1-inch sensor on the one hand and a 1-1.3-inch sensor on the other. But that is just a guess. Looking closely at this still, I think I might even see a third camera. That would be a real game changer. Am I imagining things or is there something to it? What do you think, guys? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and I'm excited to read your opinions. Even though there's been a heated debate on the forums and on X. Surprise, surprise! I can't imagine it being a Mavic. Considering the product cycle, it's about time for a successor to the Air 3, which was released around 3/4 of a year ago. So what to expect in addition? That is really speculation at the moment. Normally DJI is always working on increasing the flight time, optimizing obstacle avoidance or improving the OcuSync 04 to a better version. Also, I could imagine having a 4K vertical shoot feature instead of the 2.7K with the Air 3 at the moment. Alright, and then there is this other picture that's been floating around online for a few weeks. Quoting some news pages, supposedly an unwary DJI test pilot left his Mavic 4 lying around. No way! Let's take a closer look at that too. If you ask me, it looks like the same drone as in the videos before. So this is then as well the Air 3S. And maybe the pilot was not unwary but taking this picture on his own to then intentionally leak it to the internet. I think we are about to see more of these images and more footage in the coming days and weeks, which will make things clearer. My guess is it's a successor to the Air 3, probably called either the DJI Air 4 or Air 3S. Also, from a sales perspective, this makes more sense. The Air series is aimed at regular consumers who expect frequent updates, while the Mavic series is for professionals who prefer a well-established ecosystem and longer product cycles. Another hint that points to an upgrade of the Air 3 is the DJI Big Discount promotion, offering up to 20% of a new Air 3. We've seen this pattern before with new releases like the DJI Avatar and the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The discount runs until mid-July, so we can expect the new release to be around early to mid-August. Alright folks, that's it from me for now. Hope this video gave you some insights. What do you think about this new drone? Are you planning to buy it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Enjoy your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.